Hey, this is a video about 30x9.5x15 tires on a standard Jeep. I was curious when I bought this if they would fit. These are 30x9.5x15s on a 97 standard suspension Jeep Cherokee Country. It does not have upcountry on it. It's a little close if you're doing any heavy four-wheeling, if you're going to scrape and scrub. I do get off the road, but not that much. My intention is to put a 2-inch lift kit on it. I don't want a 3, I don't want a 4. You got about an 1.25 inch clearance on that back there. About 1.5 inches there. Well, hope that'll help somebody out. This is a 95 Jeep Cherokee Country with factory suspension and 30x9.5x15 tires on it. I like this tire size, but this vehicle has always been a little bit low. I hit my head getting in it, and this is factory suspension. I think it needs to be a little bit higher. So I have purchased a rough country 3-inch leveling kit. The front should go up about 3 inches, the back maybe 2 inches from what they've said. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the 30x9.50s on here or go with the 31s. I think I'm going with the 31s. The rough country suspension package says that we'll handle 31s. And I want to get Michelin 31x10.5 Defender LTX. I'm going to crank it up and turn the wheel so you can see the clearance on the front. Get a tape measure and measure the heights, and then when I get the lift kit on it tomorrow, I will do the same thing and decide on the tires. Then when I get the tires, I'll do it again. Ground clearance on the front is at 32 inches or 31 3/4. Okay, here it is after the 3-inch rough country suspension lift with the 30x9.50 tires on it. Tomorrow I'm putting 31x10.50 Michelins on it, and I will update that, and that way you can see the progression from the factory suspension 30x9.50s to the lifted 30x9.50s and then the 31x10.50s. Okay, here the Jeep is with the 31x10.50 Michelins and the 3-inch lift kit. So you can start off watching the videos. I've got a picture of the 225s that were on it when I bought it, but not a video. But you'll be able to see the video of the 30x9.50 with the factory suspension, and then the 30x9.50 with the 3-inch lift. And then finally, the 31x10.50 Michelins with the 3-inch lift. Bugs are biting me And with the lift kit yesterday with the 30x9.5s, it was at 34 3/4. Now it's at 35.5 from the ground on the front. And the back is 34 from the ground.